Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box episode. This one is going to be a banger because it is $3,090 and it's from a shop that we've seen in the past before. It's from the Sneak City, or if you guys know her better as Sup Fed. Either or, it's the same person, Tia. She's a very dope person, and the boxes that they make over there are legit. And they've been doing a lot more mystery boxes like on their stories and stuff as well. So if you guys aren't following them, I highly recommend it because it is a very good place to get mystery boxes. You can follow them at Sup Fed on Instagram, or also at the Sneak City on Instagram as well. I will link both of those in the description so you guys can just click over there and follow them on that. Check that out, man. I've opened a couple boxes from them and I liked everything I see. However, this one is an interesting one because it is super small, man. Usually our mystery boxes are really big. This one is super tiny. So I'm expecting, like, gotta be high-end heat, right? $3,000 box, a very small amount of shoes. They must all be bangers. So it's gonna be very dope to see. So I will be getting into that real quick, but before I do, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Rose Gold and Black. You guys see me wearing their jewelry all the time on a bunch of different episodes, and I really just love their look. They have a wide range of different jewelry. They got like bracelets, rings, necklaces. Obviously, I love the necklaces a lot. This is actually the grenade necklace over here. Very affordable and just very stylish. So I highly recommend you guys check them out. If you guys click on the link in the description below, it will take you to Rose Gold and Black, where you will get 25% off your order, and if you guys enter the code UNTIED, you guys will get an additional 10% off as well, making it a grand total savings of 35% off. So I highly recommend you guys copy your jewelry today. A lot of great stuff over there and I highly recommend it. Now let's check out what we got in this mystery box, guys. Dude, there's literally only 3 shoes in this box, so this is going to be a very fast box, but 3 shoes means that there is a potential for some very crazy grails in here. You figure $3,000, you got to make profit on the box. 3 shoes, they all got to be bangers. Dude, I don't even know where to begin either. So you guys can check it out. I'll give you a little preview right here. 3 boxes. I don't know which one to pick first. I guess I will pick this one right here though. We'll save the SB boxes over there. This one is a size 8.5 and definitely starting it off with a banger, man. 8.5 Air Force One, but it is an off-white collab, and one you guys probably will not expect because this is kind of wild. I can't believe this box, dude. This is insane. 3 shoes, and we're starting it off with this. These are a pair of the off-white MCAs in the blue colorway, and I used to have a pair of these before. Like, check this thing out, dude. Very hype shoe. You guys all know what it is. MCA blue off-white Virgils. I really like this colorway a lot, and it's a very unique shoe. No issues on this. I do see that there is a little bit of dirt on the bottom, some heel drag, a little bit of star loss, but there's no like cuts or anything on the shoe. Everything else looks good. So this is really good to see. It does come with the extra laces over here as well. So OG all. Very dope, man. And this is starting off the box really hot because I know that like brand new these things are going for like, I think $2,000 or $3,000. So used they must be going for at least like, I don't know, $1,500, $1,600. So that's half the price of the box already. So very good first pickup. And I'm telling you guys, 3 shoes. This might be the craziest mystery box like ever. Just in terms of like hype shoes. Like this is gonna be wild. Next shoe out over here is a size 8.5, and this is a Nike Dunk Low SB. For this one though, we have a pair. Oh, what the heck is this? I think these are called a pair of the Nasty Boys SBs, and this one is in really nice condition as well, guys. Like, this is not a beater shoe at all. I've actually never seen this colorway before, but when I'm looking at it up close, the details on this thing are really nice. Like, check it out. You guys can see that American flag on the back heel. I mean, that's one of the biggest things that stands out on this shoe. The Nike back here in gold looks cool, and if you guys look on the back heel, it does say Nasty on this shoe. And let me get the other shoe over here for you, so you guys can see Nasty Boys over there, both American flags. Pretty darn cool over here. I don't see any other markings on this shoe though. Everything else looks clean. So overall, really nice looking SB, guys. And I'm not sure what the price is on this, but on the box it says that they were selling these for $600. So that is a lot of money. 600 bucks plus the MCAs that we already got. That's, I don't know, over $2,000 already. So pretty good start to this box. Actually, we're halfway through the box already. So pretty good box so far. This has got to be like a record for the fastest beater box I've ever opened because we're already on the last shoe. Last shoe of the box. Let's hope for something crazy. This is an old school box. Interesting. So this says it's a replacement box. It's Air Trainer 1's, Air Trainer 1 box, but this is not an Air Trainer. It says it's a pair of Supreme Blue SB Dunks, size 10.5. I might have just gave that away. I'm sorry. Wait. This is not a pair of the Supreme Blue Dunks. This is a pair of the white cement Dunk Lows, guys. What the heck? What size is this? If it's a size 11, I'm gonna freak out. We're praying for a 10, 10.5, or 11. I can squeeze a 10. This one is a size 10.5. No. Do I keep this? Do I keep this? Do I keep this? Oh, I gotta examine these shoes up close. Darn, it's a little bit more beat than I would like, but still. This is such a banger shoe to see in a box, guys. White cement dunk lows. These things are wild, but you guys can see this definitely is an older shoe. I believe this came out in like 2004 or 2003. Let me double check. It's 2002 actually, so very old. You guys can see that the elephant print is getting a little bit worn down, so that kind of sucks. But I mean, they don't make these shoes anymore, so if you want a pair of these, this is kind of like what you're looking at, unless you get a DS pair, but that's gonna be like $7,000. So hard to say. Overall, still very good condition. So this is insane. I think these might by themselves go for at least $2,000 though. They are very expensive now. I mean, with the SB market blowing up and stuff, things like this, they're really rare and very coveted. And so I probably will never see this in a mystery box ever again. And I might have to keep it. I need you guys to vote down below in the comments. Should I sell this one? Should I keep it? You guys saw the condition. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. This is crazy though. Size 10.5. Wow, that's wild. That's wild. So, I mean, that is it for this mystery box, guys. Really fast, really quick, and really easy. I can say for a fact that I really enjoy these kinds of mystery boxes. Like, it's gonna be very hard to move these kinds of shoes just because they're all really high tier shoes. Like, how many people can afford like a $2,000 pair of Nike SBs? It's a small amount of people. So for shoes like this and boxes like this, you have to really like rely on patience and stuff because you wanna get the price that you wanna get, but you can't be like aggressive because you're gonna undercut yourself and you probably won't get as much value from this box. So that is my plan for this. Planning to like, you know, keep a high price on these and hopefully sell most of them like pretty darn quick. So we'll see how that goes. Still kind of on the fence if I wanna keep those white cements. Again, comment down below what I should do with them, guys. I'm really like torn. I don't know. Shout out to StupFed and the Sneak City. They're very dope with their mystery boxes. And like I said, she's been dropping a lot of mystery boxes recently on like their Instagram stories. So make sure you guys follow her at StupFed so you guys can cop mystery boxes over there. You don't need like a membership or anything. And I think you just got to pay like through Zelle or PayPal or something. So it's really easy and really fast. I trust her 100%. I know in the past I've said don't buy from people on Instagram, but this is a reputable shop now. She has a shop, the Sneak City. And I've known StupFed for I think about a year now. I bought boxes from her for like about a year now, so I know it's very legit. Feel safe over there. It's a good chance for you guys to get mystery boxes, so check that out. And also don't forget to check out the sponsor of today's episode, Rose Gold and Black. Definitely recommend all of their premier minimalistic jewelry, guys. If you guys use that link in the description below, you guys will get 25% off, and when you guys use the code UNTIED, you get an additional 10% off as well. So copy your minimalistic jewelry today from Rose Gold and Black. Highly recommend it. And that is it for this video, guys. Don't forget to drop that like down below. If you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below as well. And as always, guys, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!